Alright. It's Blizzard number 6, I think. Yeah, Blizzard number 6. So, we are making another one of the Blizzard series, Blizzard 6, yeah. Alright, so, well, we're talking about CHRISTMAS. So, we are talking about this right here. Look at how much snow right there. Look at that. Sticks are sticking out. It's just like it's burying it. Just a berry right there. It's like it's not an avalanche thing, but wow, snowstorm. It's big time. Because I'm going this way. So, now we'll talk about the ice. Now let's take a look at this. It's kind of icy right here. And look. Oh my goodness gracious. What? That just blew off our house. We'll give you more coverage on this till the 10th. Jeez. Oh my goodness.
What?
Look. That fell off the roof. Alright. I might go outside with Sophie. If you want to be an OP boy. Or video with me. You gotta get dressed. You can just get your jacket and gloves. No, just get your jacket and your shoes on and your shirt.
Well, my shirt's wet. My sleeves are wet. Hey! What, Marcio?
Just wear one shirt, okay?
I don't want to go outside.
Fine, I'll take on a video. So, Blizzard 6 will be a little short this time. Well, we'll see you on Blizzard 7 talking about something that fell off the house. And it might be a little fast. Well, we'll keep you live coverage on the snowstorm. Bye guys. Subscribe, like, and views. Let's hit the jackpot on like 500 views, I'd say.